Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek moneymaker haul for you guys. If you're new here, let's just get this out the way really quick. If you're new here, definitely smash the subscribe button. Support your girl by hitting that like button, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So with that being said, you guys, this is my midweek. I need 15 bits for $5, you guys. I was super stoked when I saw this because I feel like lately I've been getting $1 more than anything for my midweek, and so I was super stoked with this. Now I am also tracking for the campfire cash bonus as well. I highly doubt I'm gonna finish that off today, so most likely we'll knock that out with the weekend bonus this weekend. Now I did do some offers from CVS this week, which is really cool, so I don't need as many. I went ahead and did the Dove this morning again. I did the free to be. I said I wasn't going to do it. I'm not going to eat it. But I figured since it's counting towards a rebate on Ibotta and it's already free, so it's a 60-cent moneymaker, I figured why not? This one has been sitting in my car, you guys, literally since this morning. So like literally all the chocolate is at the bottom half. And so yeah, I figured why not? 60-cent moneymaker on this. And then I grabbed the Dove again as well. And so I don't need a complete 15 at Walmart. So this should be pretty easy. Of course, I'll have a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. I want to do a giveaway because I haven't did a giveaway in a long time, and so I want to do a $25 Walmart gift card giveaway, or it could be Cash App, either or. So in the comments, I want to know what are your top 3 rebate apps, and I just recorded my month-end video for April and May. So my top 3 apps, I'm saying the ones that you earn the most on. For me, it's been Ibotta as at the very top, and then Shopkick, and then Swagbucks. So those are my top 3. In the comments, I would love to know what your top 3 rebate apps are, and then that'll enter you in a $25 Walmart /Cash App giveaway. Now what I'll say is, if you want a Walmart gift card, just let me know your top 3. If you want to do Cash App, then let me know your Cash App in the comments with your top 3. Other than that, you guys, let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab this week. All right, guys. So the first deal that we're gonna grab is on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. I'm not really a big fan of these, you guys, but I haven't tried orange, so I'm gonna try the orange and see if I'm feeling a little different. But it tastes a little sweet for me. But anyways, listen, it's priced at $2.18. We're gonna get back $1 on Ibotta. We'll get back $1 on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium, bringing that down to only 18 cents. And of course, you already know we're grabbing the Coffee Mate plant-based creamer again, priced at $4.26. Ibotta's giving us back $1. No, I take that back. Ibotta's giving us back $2. And then we're getting back $1.25 on Shopmium, Alexa, coupons.com, you know, ta-da, Swagbucks, you know, whatever you got. Bringing that down to $1.01, which is definitely not bad. So it's gonna be on the Glade Warmer Starter Kit. It's priced at $3.66, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. Makes it $1.16, which is not bad for me. I've been selling these in sets of 2, and so yeah. All right, next up is the Suavitel Complete, which is priced at $3.97. You're going to be getting back 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3, bringing that down to only 97 cents. All right, so the next thing I'm going to grab is going to be on the All Free and Gentle, price at $3.93. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. Then there's also $1.50 on coupons like Alexa, Shopmium, ta-da, Swagbucks, whichever you have. And bringing that down to only 43 cents. It's going to be on the U by Kotex liners, priced at $3.30. This is like the last one they have. I'm going to grab one of them, use the $2 coupon right here. I ended up paying $1.30 out of pocket, getting back $8.50 on Ibotta, making this a 20-cent moneymaker. Now I also have an offer on Fetch Reward that's tracking, and so yeah. All right, guys, so this area is so freaking crowded. It's on the soft soap. They are still on rollback for $4.47. I grabbed 4 of them for a total of $17.88. I used 4 of the 75-cent printables that I got from my Ip Fairy. I paid $14.88 out of pocket and got back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. Plus there's 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.40 times 4. and then $4 on Swagbucks, making them all free plus a 72-cent moneymaker. All right, so next I went ahead and did the Irish Spring again as well. These are priced at $4.97. I grabbed 4 of these as well for a total of $19.88. Used 4 of the 75-cent printables as well. I'll pop up who I got this IP from. I paid $16.88 out of pocket and got back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. I also got back 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80 times 4, bringing these down to only 92 cents each. All right, so the next deal I'm gonna go over is on the Hoblins. Now this is not a rebate. Well, it is a rebate off deal, but it's not on Ibotta. All right, so Hoblins is priced at $3.97. We're gonna go and grab 2 of them. We ended up paying $7.94, getting back $3 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shopmium, our Tada, our Swagbucks, bringing that down to only 97 cents. I'm also gonna be grabbing the Garnier Fructis, which is priced at $3.47. You'll pay $6.94 at a pocket, getting back $3 on coupons.com, Alexa, our Shopmium, our Tada, our Swagbucks, or whatever, bringing that down to only 47 cents each. Okay, so I totally forgot to record this in store. It's on the Raid Light Trap. It's priced at $19.93. You'll get back $10 on Ibotta. I also did $10 on Shopmium and Alexa as well. I know it's also on coupons.com. I had it on Tada, but it disappeared. So it's going to make this a $10.07 moneymaker. All right, this next deal is on the Airwick Warmer. It's priced at $1.98. Now, I did have this on Ibotta, but it disappeared for me. So I did submit on Shopmium and Alexa for $2.09, making this a $2.20 moneymaker. All right, guys, the last deal I'm going to go over is going to be on the Dove. It's on the 0% aluminum sticks. They're priced at $6.88. Now for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 1 of them. I'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on coupons.com, Alexa, Shopmium, Tada, Swagbucks. It'll bring it down to only 88 cents, which is not bad. Now I'm going to throw in a clip of how to do this on Shopmium. Well, not this particular deal, but some of the offers I noticed when you are using the scan feature to see if you have anything that qualifies, you'll get an error message or whatever that says that you don't. And then when you go in to submit a receipt, it'll pop up there. So I'm going to show you how I double check to see if I really have offers available. Okay, so with Shopmium, I noticed that they did add a scanner, which is awesome, but it's not 100%. So for this situation, I scanned the Dove. It said that I didn't have any rebates that it qualified for. And so normally what I'll do, if I know I have one there, I'll go ahead and act like I'm submitting a receipt, and I'll just scan something random as the receipt. As you can see, I scanned my shoes. And then I'll go back and I'll scan the product just to make sure that I really don't have a rebate that qualifies. So I scanned the Dove again, and I scanned the same one, and a rebate did pop up for $2.50. So this is just a tip for those of you who are using Shopmium. And as always, I hope it helps. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. So I did the Irish Spring and the soft soap yesterday and did 4 of each. And then today, the soft soap, it reduced to 25. So I only grabbed 2 of those. What else as far as this? Again, I did have the Dove and the, the Free to Be right there from CVS. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out. So I had soft soap coupons, I had Irish Spring coupons, and we had a coupon for the Uhotex. Now, this is not the one that I grabbed. I actually grabbed this one here, but it was kind of like really messed up, but I went and got it anyways. And I low-key was just joking with the cashier, and I was like, because there was no barcode to scan it, and so she was like, I was like, I should get 10% off for that. She was like, oh, okay, I could do that. And so she looked it up online. It was $2.97. So she gave it to me for $2.68 right there. And then I used a $2 coupon. So that was kind of cool. I just didn't include this one because it's kind of beat up. So that's why I swapped it out. Other than that, you guys, this worked out to be really, really good. Now it's not a moneymaker haul, which I'm okay with, because literally, guys, I mean, I got 6 of each of the soft soap and the Irish Spring. So if I hadn't got those, then, or if I had got fewer, then it would have been a moneymaker. But I really wanted to get those items, so that's why I got 4 again yesterday and then just grabbed 2 of each today. I didn't do any in-store kicks at all this week for the most part, y'all, because I just really want to get in and out. And so there's that. So everything that you see here retails $141.93. I had $18.49 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals because we do have a couple deals from CVS. This brought my out-of-pocket down to $123.44. We walk away with $51.10 from Ibotta, $18.09 from Shopmium, and $18.09 from Alexa, which both of those receipts are still pending. I have another Shopmium account, and then we get back $4 there. $22.20 from Shopkick, and those receipts did go through, which is good because earlier this week or last week, I had receipts that were just getting completely rejected. I had to put tickets in. I had to show screenshots. I had to give them a whole freaking printout of everything that I got and what I was, what I was supposed to get back in kicks. And so, yeah, and it's crazy because I think they have some new apples in the bunch. Like, literally, like, I'm used to them just giving me my kicks or whatever. I even had stopped showing receipts and proof of whatever. And I was just getting awarded my kicks. We apologize. This is something we're working on. But these new apples in the bunch, they's like, okay, we need a copy of your receipt. We need a list of all the items you got, the kicks you're supposed to get back. I'm just like, really? And then they give you your kicks and be like, oh, like, this is a rare occurrence. This ain't no rare occurrence. It happened 3 times. I said, this happened 3 times. It's not really rare. And then one with the candy from last week, or was earlier this week, my last haul, when I got the candy, it said 500 kicks. They only gave me 450, and then I go back and say, hey, it's supposed to be 500 kicks. They're like, oh no, it's only 450. Then I gotta show you screenshots saying that it's 500 kicks. And even if I go in to submit a receipt right now, it's 500 kicks. So these new apples, I ain't really feeling. Like I said, it's probably the summer crew. Like, summer crew, can y'all just put your little hours in and just be on your way? Because your girl is not used to that. Like, I'm not used to that. So I haven't had any issues for this haul, which is really good. And so we walk away with a total of, oh, I didn't finish. We got back $4 in extra care bucks for the Dove. Totally forgot to put out the creamer. And so $6.75 back from Tada. So we get back a total of $124.23. It makes this all free plus 79 cents. So it's not the hugest moneymaker, but again, I paid for the, because I wanted the soft soaps and I wanted the Irish Springs. Again, those sell really good for me. I'm gonna offer up. So I definitely feel like it's worth it to pay for those because I'm going to be getting the money back when I sell it. Yeah, your girl could have did without that. The Fruities and the whole blends, I could have did without that as well. I did grab those also because I had it on Tada, as well as the Raid. But when I went in to submit my receipt, those offers were already gone. So I'm hoping they pop back up because I noticed that the rebates that are similar to coupons.com, Alexa, Shopmium, they come and they go. And I find it easier to do those type of deals early in the morning. And so, yeah, they were gone. And so if it pops back up, your girl is definitely going to submit for those offers for sure. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching and wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.